This is how we set up for our Kitten photo shoot. First we're going to set up the backdrop holder, which is 2 big tripods with a bunch of connected poles in between. So here I'm setting up the first tripod. Now I'm setting up the second tripod. We actually bought 2 lighting kits. One had this backdrop holder with 2 lights with the diffuser umbrellas and a third light, a mini tripod. And our second one had 2 big box lights. And these are portable kits. Now I'm unpacking the bars that snap together and attach to the tops of the tripods to hold the backdrop. Okay, that's all together. Now it's time to hang the backdrop. We're going to hold this on with 4 clamps that we got at Lowe's. Okay, now I'm using a fabric steamer to steam out the wrinkles in the backdrop. This is a tripod for the first light. I have 2 of these, but Alan recorded me setting up one of them. Now I'm going to install the bulb holder at the top of the tripod. Now for the big bulb. This is a sunlight bulb. Now for the umbrella diffuser. It fits into a hole on the light bulb holder, and you can secure it with a screw. I'm going to plug it in and give it a quick test. Next is for our big box light. There's 4 poles that hold the reflective box onto the light assembly, and there's 4 holes around the edge of the bulb holder, and there's slots at the end of the reflective material to hold the poles. So put the bulb holder inside the reflective material, attach the rod to the bulb holder, and then secure it to the reflective box. You do that 4 times. Now attach it to the tripod. Install the 5 bulbs. Secure the end of the reflective box. It's got Velcro strips. Let's press those together. I'm going to plug it in, give it a quick test, make sure all the bulbs are working. Each bulb has a switch on the back. I'm putting on the diffuser cover. It's got a tab in each corner that connects to the reflective box, and there's also a Velcro strip on each side. And here's the difference in lighting with the diffusing cover on. Now I'm going to move that behind the camera and put our rug on the box. And now we're ready to get the kitties' attention. Trying to get them to look at the camera while my wife takes the pictures. At the end of the video is a selection of photos that we took. Thanks for watching.